Welcome back, guys. This is Dylan. Welcome back to Key Largo Kings. I told you guys we have a lot of content to push out. We're going to be posting once a week. In this video, we filmed it a few months ago. We went out to Port St. Lucie to go snook fishing. We caught a bunch of snook. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And remember, do not forget to subscribe. Our goal is to get to 1,000. Road to 1,000. Thank you. Enjoy the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
Yo, a long time no see. You already know what's up.
We're back out here fishing for snook out on Noodles Island. Let's see what we catch. See you out there. If you guys ever want to meet the world's smallest man, he's right here. You guys want to see the worst fisherman in the boat? He's wearing an FSU hat right there.
Yeah, how do you feel losing the first snook that we hooked up today?
I haven't been snook fishing in over like 2 years. Just getting warmed back up, getting my groove back. They call it fishing, not catching. You're not gonna catch your fish. Oh yeah, it should happen.
So what went wrong after you hooked that fish?
To be very honest with you, Captain Dan told me to reel very fast and very aggressive hook set.
No, he said reel.
And
you seemed a little jerky there, like jerking the rod a bit. I think you might have lost the fish. Cause what do you think there?
I was jerking, like a little jerky.
Let's go on YouTube. Be careful.
I'm 18.
I'm gonna get desensitized. Demonetized or desensitized, whatever.
Are you avoiding my question, sir?
I was jerky? What do you mean, like, by jerky? Like, no, I wasn't smooth. Back to the original question, I haven't been snook fishing over 2 years. Warming back up.
Javi, we're here with Javi. And, I'm wondering why. What's your role today on our fishing adventure?
PCs, have fun, baby. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, look at see it in his mouth. Hey,
Who's up?
You got it. You take it in.
we're the first fish of the day.
Oh, here we go.
Somebody else.
Little Danny already lost one. Javi!
Keep it tight. Nice and easy, but keep it
Suave, eh?
I can't even see what I'm recording. Let's go, Bav.
Yeah, he worked with that one.
I low-key can't even see what I'm recording.
Oh yeah, Dylan.
Come on, Bobby, air.
All right, give me some slack. Open the bail.
Open the bill. I told you what the bill is.
At the Bay Belvier.
More. Okay, you're good there. All right, not a monster, but you know what? It's one to the boat.
Javi, now you have to carry it.
I thought you
were just a snook
guy. You see that rod?
Javi just got his first snook.
Oh yeah.
What do you say?
Like a bass. This is what you want to hold. Like a bass, exactly. He's gonna shake.
I know how to hold the bass, guy.
Right through the mouth.
Hold on. Watch that hook. Let me
Stick your hand in his mouth. Ah!
Watch out, the hook's out. Watch your foot. Now put your finger in like I just did there. In his mouth.
Flopping like a fish, huh?
Yeah, that's the thing from Fortnite.
Hold it tight.
Javi, bro.
Oh, you're having a little trouble here. You see it?
You had one.
Right there.
See it for the camera.
Yes,
Here, let him go.
So kiss him first.
My snook.
So, Javi, after catching your first snook, how you feeling, man?
feeling great, you know. Thanks to Dan the man. He just handed me the rod and it was quite easy from there. It wasn't that much of a fight.
So, what do you say to the young man standing behind you that says it was his fault that they lost the fish?
He's a bitch.
Oh.
I certainly agree with that, folks. Back to you in the studio.
John Man is on.
Come here, little man. It's smaller than Javi's, bro.
It might be bigger than Javi.
It's like Danny. It's like the Danny of our group.
What?
A little bit longer. Yeah, a little longer.
You did?
No, do it.
Nice and steady. And when you get here, don't pull us out of the water. You find the water from now. I'll get him for you.
Right there.
Thank you, man. This fish is a little bit darker. This is a lighter fish.
Oh, you missed.
No, he took off on me. Watch your line. Don't hit the side of the boat. If it hits it, it's going to cut it.
All right. Hey, baby.
Yankee with the brim.
Not a bit, John.
Look at John's back.
That one's bigger than mine.
A little bit.
Hold on.
Don't worry, Danny. I'll release.
Here we go.
There we go.
Listen to the camera.
Don't hold it like that. Look at the dingus. Put your hands right here on this side, like this.
Okay.
Hey, little man's on.
Little man.
I got a net for you over here.
Oh, it's a little one. The smallest
Right
guy.
now, we're taking whatever because that's some bad luck. You're being
And he gets to keep
good luck
the
here.
bait.
Oh. Wait, Johnny, hold up.
Show a double header though.
I know.
Oh, sorry. Got it. Oh.
That's 2 in a row. Go.
Alright.
John boy. Don't take a picture.
Woo! We're overdue for these, man. We worked hard to get these guys in there. Watch the waves coming, guys.
What did he say? I said I picked him up for real.
That's 3.
You lost him, man?
Oh, you gotta get the net somebody for him. Get the net, get the net. And just pull the pole out a little bit. Don't worry about locking the pole out. Just pull it out a little bit. Pull the pole.
It's a baby schmook.
Pull it more.
Baby schmook.
How we go, man?
Use it in the water.
Javi, don't miss it.
Gotta be Javi.
So, Anka, when you catch it there, it was like 5 or 6 fish. Right away, he ate it. Yeah, I think we got some dumped there, actually.
What about the air?
Do you have pliers too?
Yeah, that guy swallowed it.
On top of the gill plates.
Sure.
Really come out.
Anything, what you do is you trim it and then you pull it out. And then retie.
Or he just pulls it out.
He's an animal.
Atta, babe.
That boy gave him concussion.
You ready? Who's next?
Me.
I see them. They're thick right now. Take them out.
Let me see it.
It's
It's a little schmook.
Little baby.
Little schmook.
A lot more active now. Get the net. Somebody get the net.
Daniel.
Yeah, deep water too, didn't it?
Daniel's son.
Well, he followed it out.
I almost fell.
There you go.
I think it's pulling you.
That's a nice. Remember the biggest one? Is that a cuda?
No, it's a cuda.
Okay.
Oh, but you caught me. A barracuda.
All right, gotcha, man.
Yeah.
Oh, real drop. All right, there you go.
Oh, he's so over.
Nah, it doesn't count.
Yeah, yes, counts as
It's not
over.
a snook.
No, it's a barracuda.
No, it's a big one. Get the net for us. The biggest one. Smooth.
Oh,
Take your time. That's an easy. Don't over.
Daniel, son. Round 2.
You don't want to lose. That's the biggest one so far today. Let him run. Yeah, there you go. He's not quite done. Take your time.
You think he loses it?
Hold some big ones past the ball. 3 monsters go
That
by.
was big for Danny.
Oh, small.
I know, that's what I said.
That's the biggest one, though. I
Biggest one of the day, gang.
bro.
Appreciate it.
Why do you
I'll interview.
I'm not taking pictures. I'm taking videos.
You can just
take a picture while I'm taking a video,
guys.
Let me see. Daniel. Damn, it's a big old fish, huh?
Come on. Next.
Lawyer.
No, I get my own. I get my own.
Fish. What's a fish? What's from me, dude?
Oh my god, you're gonna show me nice.
Oh, you got my phone.
Guy, someone take a picture.
Dang, they're stacked up in that little pocket right now.
I'm taking it with my phone.
Bro, this is like a little. Let's stick them in there. Stick them in right there where Javi's feet's at. Right there. Good. Slack, and you're good. Got it? I'll be sideways.
Sorry.
Yeah, we just like these smaller guys.
See, if I would have casted it, it would have been a bigger fish.
So we're here with John Kent, the bandwagon of the group. Didn't want to start fishing until the first fish was caught, so here we are to hear his ideas about this. Yeah.
It's not that I didn't want to fish. It's that I wanted anybody else. I wanted someone else to catch the first fish. So that I wouldn't take that.
You're in a giving mood.
He acts humble, but he really is
a bandwagon.
a bandwagon. Yeah. Can't
Bring it
really
nice and slow so
show
you
his
don't kill the bait if he's still
true
alive.
colors because
He has a mask
I'm
on.
not a capper.
he is what he is, and he has something to say about one of our fellow fishermen here.
At least I'm not a capper, bro.
Who's the cat?
Here we are again
Stand up.
with the bitch of the group, the
star of the
crybaby.
group.
Doesn't ever know what he wants to say. So here we go.
He says I sleep a lot. Well, studies show the more you sleep, the more fish you catch. And since I sleep a lot, I'm gonna catch more fish than everybody here.
I mean, sounds a little scripted, but he did take a break before this interview. That's all I want to say. Anything else you'd like to add?
You'll see me on this video catching more fish than everybody else.
Right.
And
Now back to you, Harold.
It's all yours.
Yeah, this is not gonna come out. He ain't coming out. There's no way.
Go to him.
He came out. Oh, shit. Hold on, let me get him out. Hold on, one more. All right, who's next? Come on.
Javier.
Woo! That's a good one here. That one I think is the biggest one. Bring your hand a little higher. Up here. Right there. Got him?
slowly steady, Bobby here.
Hold on. Let go. Hey, you on the trees for it.
Oh, he's stuck.
Yeah, he's trying to get back in the trees. This is the biggest one, no doubt.
He's out.
Oh, Oh, baby, come on out, come on out, come on out. A little more, a little more. Okay, here. Woo! Got it? Yeah.
Don't muscle him in.
Wow, no, don't, not a little muscle, man. Take your time out. We already have him beat. He wants to react. I don't know how he goes.
He's at the net. Swing at the net. Hurry.
Trying to, but. Keep the head in the water.
Double header. Another one.
Sorry. We're put the net back here.
We got double header.
Hooked those biggies.
Yeah, boy.
That was a Dylan thing to do there.
That was not me, though. Yeah, I'm at 10%.
Watch the line on the boat.
Bring it out, Hobby.
No, don't let them out of the water. Leave him right there. Leave him right there. Alright. Open the bail. Are you lost, yours?
Look, Anakin missed another one.
It's a little fatter than the other one, guys. It's definitely a little longer and fatter. No way.
It's another one. And Anakin missed another fish.
Alright, now you can grab it. Look at that. He didn't frame me at all.
It's pretty big.
Woo, boy.
See? Javier.
Javier.
Here we are back with the midget Dirty Dan. I want to ask you something about talking smack about our captain.
There you go.
here.
I didn't talk smack.
You did talk
Oh,
smack.
nice shot. That's a fat one there.
Wait. I don't mean to be rude, but the pause in the video, but there's a fish on.
Fish on, fish on.
We'll resume in a second.
Look at him jump. Show the jump, though. Zoom in that thing, dude.
I can't even see. It's too dark. Who has the net? Or sling him in.
I'm gonna get the net right there by the cooler. Get it ready to go over here.
I think the fish drowned.
Got some waves coming.
It drowned it in.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, stand up. Hold down. Get it.
Oh, he's pretty big.
Come on, get him in the net, guys. Then get on the surface and get right underneath him. That's all.
We're struggling.
Take your time. A little higher. Over there, underneath. Up. There we go. That's
Okay.
the biggest one right there.
Anakin catched it.
Get a picture.
Finally. What, you're like 3 for 20?
Yeah, take a good picture. I think, going out.
Anakin got a nice one.
If it was in season.
Let me see it.
We want the picture.
Anakin.
Anakin cashed in.
Don't get those rods in the way, though. Nice. On the croaker. Nice. Look at y'all.
That's bigger than Danny.
There you go. Thank you, sir. Nice.
Another snook. Schmuck. Another one.
I think we got.
Oh my god, look, it's a baby for a little baby. Baby snook.
Looks a snook. Bigger right now.
Let me see. World's smallest snook. How about the world's smallest man? Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. If you guys enjoy content like this, you like seeing fishing videos, we have a lot of content to push out. We're going to be posting once a week, so don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss out. We will be posting shorts daily. Thank you guys for watching once again. Don't forget to subscribe. We're up to 1,000. Thank you.